What's going on, guys? Yo, we got an awesome live trade here for you today. Great day in the stream. Had people posting up some of the gains they caught here, pulling out points out of the ES. Let me show you this trade on the day. Before we move further, remember to smash the like button for me and subscribe to the channel if you're new around here. Remember, I stream Monday through Friday from 9:15 a.m. just around until 11 or so, right? So swing on by and hang out with us in the live stream. Now let's go ahead and hop into this video. Now, this morning, we got a really nice trade here on the ES. I caught the ES. Some people in chat caught the ES. Other people caught the SPY with SPY put options, right? Because I go over game plans on both simultaneously. Now, I have the live trade recorded here for you. And what we're going to do is right out the gate here, just to get it out the way, because maybe that's all you want to see. I'm going to show you the live trade recorded with my voice. Live as it happened in the live stream this morning. I went 2 for 2 on the morning. First trade was a bit of a wash, honestly. Second trade is where I made the money on the day. So it was a really, really good day overall, right? So what I'll do is I'll play that live trade here for you, and then afterwards we'll go ahead and discuss it. All right, let's see if we can get this one to work out better. I think if we can crack here, I think we get really bearish. And we should see like 40-10, honestly. There we go, one fill, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys, let's get paid. Let's start to get paid. Let's start to make some actual money up in here. Let's see if we can get a little bit lower. Like 35 would be the next possible bounce zone. So I'm gonna look to get flat in front of that level. If we can get there, of course. That'll be a banger because that'll be about 10 points. If we can crack here, I think we can crack it. I think we crack it. The last thing I want to see is reverse course. I'll stop out break even of the remainder. I think we can crack this low. What I don't want to see is any snapbacks. I want to see this really flush out that low. We got existing home sales coming up in about 2 minutes. Would prefer to not be in the position, but you know, we're in the driver's seat, already green on the day. So even if I take an L on this one, I have to like really just bang out of it real quick. It's fine. It should still wind up being a nice green day. What I really want to see is I want to see us get down into those low to mid 430s already. Book this green on this last take, which would be a nice trade. And then wait for any possible new setups to come. Come on, give us that crack from 440, man. That 440 has been holding. There we go. Getting that little crack there. But now we need a crackazilla. Give us a crackazilla. Give us a crackazilla. Let's go. Come on, get on down there. Give me that fill. 40.36.50 is where I'm sitting at for this next one. Come on, don't do that. Don't get down to 40.37s and then bounce back on me. We got 1 minute to these numbers come out. I might close this out here, because I don't want to be in there with these numbers and get a violent snapback. So just watching and waiting. A lot of support at 39 right now. Want to see that 39 crack. There we go. Come on. Those numbers are out. They're weaker than expected. Should get... There we go. Nice 10-point ripper. Let's freaking go. Nice 10-point ripper, guys. Way to go with the day, guys. Up over a K on the day. I'll take that any day. Oh, that's how we do it, guys. Fun, fun, fun. All right, guys. So that was the live trade this morning. Okay, that was the live trade this morning. And what I want to do is I want to show you real quickly here my first trade. My first trade this morning was when we cracked in here. I went ahead and got short, and I booked some profit. Well, I didn't book the profit on the way down. I only got a partial entry, and then when we bounced back up and over my resistance zone that I was eyeing, which was the 40-44 area, I stopped out of the whole trade. Booked some profit on a partial and then took an L on just one contract, which almost made the trade a wash. A little bit green, not a big deal. So I waited and waited and waited, and then when I got that re-entry that you saw there in the live trade, I jumped back in short. This time only 2 contracts. I was unable to get in there with full size. Full size typically for me on the ES currently as of right now is 3 to 4 contracts, and I scale out of my positions. All right, and that's what I'm always showing everybody in the streams, how to scale out of the positions. So it was a good trade overall. I really like the volume profile right on the bounce back attempt. You had the decreasing volume here as you did on the SPY, and then you had the nice drop. And I said to everybody, I'm looking to get off at 40-35 zone because the 40-30s, the low to mid 40-30s is a potential bounce area. And so far today, you've had plenty of support in that 40-30 range. All right, right here, look, 40.28, we're right back up over 40.30. That's a level I got off of the daily chart in those low 40.30s. I can show it to you really quickly right here. Let me show you that. So we'll turn this 60-minute chart into a quick daily chart, and I'll show you this 40.30. Let's go ahead and move this line, and you can see it right there. There's 40.30. You found support there today. Previous support back here, previous resistance in this area. So it's been an important area here recently. I think that level cracks, maybe not necessarily today. So that's how it went for me today, guys. Any questions, drop them in chat. Remember to smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the links in the description and comment section below to the day trader chat room, trade ideas, and the prop firm I'm trading in that right now has 65% off lifetime. All right, so right now, 65% off any of the evaluation accounts that you see there that are their foundations of evaluation accounts. You'll get 65% off, and it's a lifetime code. So you'll use the code, you'll check out, get 65% off. And let's say you don't pass the evaluation on the first month. When you renew the second month, well, it's going to renew at 65% off, and so on and so forth every single month until you decide that you don't want to do it anymore, or you pass and get funded. All right, guys, I hope to see you in the stream tomorrow morning. Peace.